here's the motor afterwards. It's pretty shiny now. Still a little dirty, like down in all the cracks and stuff. I couldn't get the toothbrush in there because that's what I was using. But you know, I'd say it looks a lot better than it did. And I'm gonna throw it in. Probably mount it back up once I get the wiring harness here. I don't know when that's gonna be here though, so could be a couple weeks maybe. Depends on how much money I have because I'm always broke. But yeah, this thing's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be fast. Oh, I'm definitely gonna race this thing. This is my brother's bike, Trevor. Yeah, gonna smoke it. He thinks he's faster, but he's not. Gonna race this thing, gonna smoke it. And Liam's dirt bike too, gonna smoke that one. Look, your dirt bike's slow.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna beat that.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
What are you doing in my tools?
Can I use this one?
Yeah, you can use it.
Was it the same one I was using?
Yeah, pretty much. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.